Moving to Goodstay from another system? You don't have to retype a thing. Goodstay imports your customers, pets, spaces, and vaccination records straight from a spreadsheet you already have. Open Import Data from the menu. If you'd rather not lift a finger, send us your files and we'll load everything for you, free. But honestly, doing it yourself only takes a minute. Start by choosing what you're importing. We'll bring in customers first. Pets, spaces, and vaccinations all work exactly the same way. Drop in the CSV or Excel file you exported from your old software. Goodstay reads the column headers right out of the file. Then decide what happens when a record already exists. Skip it and keep what you've got, or update it with the fresh details. We'll skip duplicates here. Now the clever part. Goodstay automatically matches your columns to the right fields, so first name, last name, and phone are already mapped and ready to go. Anything it isn't sure about, you set with a single click. Here we'll line up the street column with the address field. Preview shows exactly what's coming in, row by row, before you commit, so there are no surprises and no messy data. When it looks right, run the import. Goodstay brings everyone in and sorts out any duplicates in the background. And you're done. Every customer is in with a clear summary of exactly what was created. Your whole client list ready for reservations, invoices, and report cards. That's how easily your business moves into Goodstay. More tutorials in the playlist. See you in the next one.